Good morning, student. Today we discuss about Compton effect. Compton effect, it is a phenomenon according to which when high frequency radiations is scattered by the electron of scattered, then frequency of the scattered radiations is smaller than the frequency of incident radiations, or wavelength of scattered radiations is greater than the wavelength of incident radiations. Means the frequency of incidence radiations is smaller than the radiations of the scattered photons. Second is the wavelength of scattered radiations is less than wavelength of incidence radiations. Suppose an X-ray photons of frequency fall on free electron at rest. So during the collisions, the photon impart a part of its energy to the electrons. Here is the free electrons whose energy is E equal to m naught c square and set it into motion. Due to this, the scattered photon has less energy and less frequency. This is our scattered photons. This is the recoil electrons. Whose energy is E equal to mc square and momentum of these electrons will be mv. Suppose the collision is relativistic, whereas the incident photon possesses energy as well as momentum. The other electron is supposed to be rest. Let the collision of the electron recoil with velocity v and scattered photons and the frequency mu dash. Let the scattered photon and recoil electron make an angle. Here is theta and photons make an angle is phi. Before collision, the energy of incidence photons is h mu, where momentum of incidence photons is h mu upon c, where c is velocity of light. This is the momentum of incident photons. And the rest mass of electrons, this is the rest mass of electron is E equal to m naught c square. And momentum of this electron will be 0. At rest positions. Similarly, we find after collision, the energy of S लिख लेते हैं यहाँ, scattered photon given is h mu dash. This is h mu dash and momentum is p h mu dash upon c. The momentum of recoil electrons, is mv. V is velocity of electron after collision. V is the velocity of according to relativistic mass energy relation. According to realistic mass energy relation E equal to mc square, where m equal to m naught upon under root 1 minus v square upon c square. According to conservation law of conservation energy according to law of conservation energy, the energy of photon and electrons, energy of photon and electron before collision, that is equal to energy of photon and electron after collision, that is equal to h mu. This is the h mu this is your h mu, okay, plus rest electrons is m naught c square plus m naught c square, that is equal to given by h mu dash, that is your h mu dash plus m c square. From this we find m c square, that is equal to h mu minus h mu dash plus m naught c square. Similarly, we find according to law of conservation of linear momentum, okay, according to law of conservation of a linear momentum that is given by h mu c plus 0 equal to h mu dash upon c cos phi plus m v cos theta. This is the make an angle theta, this is make an angle phi. So from this we find there h mu dash cos phi m v cos theta, that is your mv that is your h mu dash c. Similar from where c cross multiple of the c, and we find mvc cos theta equal to h mu minus h mu dash cos phi. Suppose now the applying the law of conservation linear momentum in perpendicular directions. According to law of conservation linear momentum perpendicular to the direction of incidence incident photon. From this we find the linear momentum here is from initial conditions is 0, and after this we find h mu dash perpendicular directions, तो sin phi minus mv sin theta. From this we find here mvc sin theta, that is equal to h mu dash sin phi. This is equation consider किया 1, this is equation 2. Squaring and adding equation 1 and 2. From this we find the equations m square v square c square cos square theta plus m square v square c square sin square theta, that is equal to h square mu square plus h square mu dash square cos phi माइनस स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 2 म्यू डैश cos phi प्लस h square mu dash square sin phi. After solutions we find here m square v square c square, that is equal to h square mu square plus h square mu dash square minus 2h square mu dash square cos phi. That is, from this we find h square कॉमन लेते हैं यहाँ से, तो आपका आएगा माइनस 2 म्यू डैश cos phi. Now take from equation 1. From equations 1 is m square h mu minus h mu dash m naught c square. So squaring these equations after squaring equations 1 we get m square c square m c square था, तो यह बनेगा आपका m square c की पावर 4, that is equal to h square mu square plus h square mu dash square plus m naught square c की 4 minus 2h square mu dash plus 2h mu m naught c square minus 2h mu dash m naught c square. M square c की equal to 4, here taking the common of h mu square plus mu dash square minus 2 mu dash plus 2h m naught constant, m naught, तो here mu minus mu dash plus m naught square c की पावर 4. Okay, from equations the elastic mass energy relations m equal to m naught under root मास एनर्जी रिलेशन से हमने लिखा था m बराबर है m नॉट बाई अंडर रूट 1 माइनस वी स्क्वेयर बाई सी स्क्वेयर. स्क्वेयरिंग बोथ साइड करेंगे तो इसका सॉल्यूशन आ जाएगा. यहाँ से आपका एलसीएम ले लेंगे तो आपका जो सॉल्यूशन बन रहा है ये बनेगा आपका m स्क्वेयर m नॉट स्क्वेयर सी स्क्वेयर c माइनस वी का होल स्क्वेयर. ओके, हमें यहाँ चाहिए m नॉट सी स्क्वेयर, तो इसको इधर लेके आएंगे तो हमारे पास बनेगा m स्क्वेयर सी स्क्वेयर माइनस वी स्क्वेयर, दैट इज इक्वल टू m नॉट स्क्वेयर सी स्क्वेयर. Putting these relations in these equations means equations third and equation fourth. Put equation third and fourth. We get the equations m naught square c4 2 h mu dash 1 minus cos phi plus 2h mu square mu minus mu dash plus m naught square c की पावर m naught square c square 4 m naught square c square 4, that is cancel out, and from this we find minus m naught c square v minus v dash, that is equal to h mu dash cos phi minus 1. This is equation 5. This is equation 5. From equation 5 we find v dash h upon m naught c square into 1 minus cos phi. इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमारे पास ये आएगा 1 बाई म्यू डैश माइनस 1 बाई म्यू, दैट इज इक्वल टू एच अपॉन में एम नॉट सी स्क्वेयर 1 माइनस कॉस फाई. ठीक है, एक्सेप्ट फॉर फाई, एक्सेप्ट फॉर फाई इक्वल टू 0. फॉर ऑल अदर वैल्यूज ऑफ फाई राइट हैंड इज पॉजिटिव क्वांटिटी. Show that left hand would also be positive, means V is greater than mu dash. Frequency, that means frequency of incidence photon is greater than the scattered photon. Frequency of incidence photons is greater than scattered frequency. As lambda is equal to c by me, taking cross multiple, so here 1 by mu is equal to lambda by c. So put 1 by mu, and this is equation 6, and this is equation 6, this is equation 7. Put equation 7 in equation 6, and we find lambda by c minus lambda by c, lambda by dash, that is equal to m naught c square 1 minus cos phi, एंड c इधर आपका मल्टीपल हो रहा है तो यहाँ आपका बच रहा है आपका लैम्डा डैश माइनस लैम्डा, दैट इज इक्वल टू एच सी एम नॉट सी स्क्वेयर 1 माइनस cos phi, कैंसिल, दैट इज डिनोटेड बाई डेल लैम्डा डैश माइनस लैम्डा, दैट इज इक्वल टू एच बाई m naught c 1 minus cos phi. This is our required equations for change in wavelength. The Compton shift, the scattered photons show that lambda dash is greater than lambda, means wavelength of the scattered photon is greater than that of incident photons. Okay, thank you.